2 black main threads with 5 colored threads. Arrange the threads sequentially. The beginning should be reserved for 17 centimeters. The outermost 2 black lines are made with wrapped diamond knots. Don't loosen your index finger. Just pinch and turn it around. The thread is continuously wrapped around the index finger, passing through the opening of the thumb. You can now release your index finger. The index finger on the fissured step must not be released. Make 3 diamond knots. Then please tighten the threads. Adjust the order. We use clips to secure the threads. Separate the 2 black threads. Wrap the colored thread around the thumb in a circle. Please ensure the order is not disrupted. Each thread is neatly arranged. Keep the index finger straight and create a slight gap. Insert the black thread on the right into the hole of the colored thread first. The black line on the left side penetrates into the colorful line hole. The black threads on both sides intersect inside the colored thread hole. Fasten the black thread, organizing the colored threads one by one. The first step must be done well. The process should be repeated in the same way as described above. The back is attractive. Next, I will teach you the method of using with a straw. The colored line winds around the straw in a circle. Do not loosen the straw. The black thread on the right side penetrates into the straw. The key point is here. The straw and the black thread exit simultaneously. Do not loosen the coil, grip it but not too tightly. Tighten the black thread. Tighten the colored threads in sequence. Do it again and pay close attention. Keep repeating the steps above until you reach the desired length for your wrist. Slightly organize the bracelet and then make the ending. Like the beginning, the outer black threads make the diamond knot. If you're not very familiar with it, you can take a look at the beginning. Leave the top 4 in place. Cut off the 3 below and burn them to stick. Similarly, the other side is also the same. Let's now finish the end of the hand rope. We fixed the tail thread with a clip. Take out a remaining colored thread, ending with square knot. 3 to 4 square knots are sufficient. Trim off the remaining thread ends and burn to seal. Organize the threads. Two lines, one long and one short, are fused together to facilitate threading through beads. Leave 3 to 4 centimeters for tying a knot at the end of the bead. After threading the 4 tail beads, trim off any excess thread. The final step is to burn the ends of the thread. Congratulations on making a beautiful bracelet!